How to increase WhatsApp status time to 90 seconds. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can upload a WhatsApp status of about 90 seconds. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First, head over to your Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update, tap on update and update your app. Then finally, locate your WhatsApp app and then open it up. After you're there, head over to updates. And after you're on the updates tab, you can tap on your add status option and choose a video that you want. Now that should be of 90 seconds or more. After you select a video, you can then add it. So there you can see your normal or average time that you can upload a status is of 90 seconds. That is a minute and 30 seconds. And that is by default, that is the maximum time length that you can upload in a status. And yeah, it's that simple. Simply tap on the upload option on the bottom right and you'll have uploaded your WhatsApp status. And that's how you do it, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.